Have you ever felt down and found it really hard to keep up with the learning? What if I tell you there's an online platform that focuses on teaching code in a practice driven way? And the best part is everything here is for free except some additional features. And the name of this online platform is Cody. Cody offers bite sized lessons with theory and challenges. Let's explore Cody together.
This is how the homepage of Cody looks. Let's explore further. If you go to categories, here you will find this option programming language. You can filter it on the basis of programming language. Suppose you click on any programming language, then it is going to show you all the courses which are available for that particular language. Apart from this, you can also filter it on the basis of your knowledge level. Suppose you're looking for some courses which are designed for only advanced, then you can also do it from here. Also, you have this option to filter it on the basis of project type. Like if you are looking for some course which will help you in some kind of project building, you can do it from here and you will see all these courses will help you in some kind of project building. Also, if you want to learn something in detail, like some conceptual things, some core concepts, you can find it in educational option. Let's take one example, C++ beginners. So these are the things that you will be learning in C++ beginners course. So similarly, you will see many courses for you. You can select it, whatever you want, you can learn it. Apart from that, you have this option where you can track your progress also.